main point in research ethics, you could say, are two different things. The first question is, how is research done? And the second question is, what are the effects of the research that is done? The harm issue is clear. So if you harm somebody, that's important, that needs to be avoided. But with regard to trustworthiness and ownership, that is also important. For example, if you think about fraudulent research, so that would be research where the data or the results are fabricated, and the harm that is done with that is that you are risking the career of upcoming new generations of researchers. For example, everybody who is doing a PhD builds on research that has already been done. And if as a PhD student, you build on something that is fraudulent, then there's nothing that you can publish at the end. Your career is simply done. But there's another one, and that is becoming more and more important, and that is the trust that society puts in scientific outcomes. We are all complaining that policies should be made based on scientific insights, right? But if you are making important political decisions about anything, and the decision is based on unreliable knowledge, then it's a catastrophe. So it's really important that society can trust the scientific endeavor as a whole. And if this kind of global trust in science is endangered, then this has far-reaching consequences for policymaking and for societies in general.